These are impact tools. They're sockets with the right angle tool. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the package. This is a nice carrying case. Middle hinges that opens up. We have an instruction guide of the product that you have. These are the sockets. A nice long right angle, an extension, and larger sockets. The Sirocco 1 inch, 1 1/16, 1 1/8, 1 1 1/4. You have a 10-inch right angle. Just simply grab the socket, place on, and you're able to muscle off your bolt. If you need to extend it, simply grab the extension, place on with the little hole so it locks into place, and you're able to extend your socket. We also have a 3/8, 7/16, a half, a 9/16, a 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, and a 15/16. This 1/2 inch socket set will do a nice job in what you have to take off and put on. These excellent impact tools, you simply just find the socket that you need, 7/8, and I'm able to get it off. If I need to turn it on, I simply turn it back on. And then when I'm done, I just put everything away. So we have an impact wrench, and we have to carefully match up the holes precisely. And it does go on. Now let's go check out how it takes a tire off, put a tire on, a lug nut. It's in the off position. Goes off real easy and put on. Really does a nice job. Comes off just like that. So if you're looking for a nice set, give to a gift for someone, a tool set to put in your arsenal, this set might be right for you. It's very easy. It's got weights to it. It's a nice quality built and strong indeed. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.